how to get Airtel Dish TV loan for 3 days. So if you want to get Airtel Dish TV loan for 3 days, then here are some steps. What you need to do is you need to just go with your phone, and on your dial pad you just need simply enter 081300 81300, and you need to call this number with your registered mobile number, the mobile number that you've registered while using your Airtel service. You just need simply give a missed call, and once you give a missed call, then it will activate your 3 days loan. And if you don't have the registered number and you need to take the loan for 3 days, then you can go with the other number, which is 1800 103 6065, which is the Airtel customer care number. You can just simply call for the Airtel customer care number and ask for 3 days loan. And the other way is you can enter 81300 81300. By this, you'll be able to check your account details. You'll have the information on how many days is left for your balance or what kind of service that you've taken. Everything, you'll have every detail. So that's how you can get an Airtel Dish TV loan for 3 days. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.